Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Yealink phone not service network registration fix. Fix 1. Hard reboot the phone. So unplug the phone power adapter. If the phone uses PoE, unplug the Ethernet cable instead and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Now reconnect the power or Ethernet cable. So allow 1 to 2 minutes for the phone to fully boot and check if the no service message is gone. Fix 2. Verify Ethernet connection. So make sure the Ethernet cable is connected to the internet network port on the phone. Then ensure the cable is firmly connected to the both end. Then verify the other end is plugged into an active router, switch or wall network check. And check for link activity lights on the router or switch port. Fix 3. Check for an IP address. The phone must obtain a valid IP address before it can connect to the VoIP service. Press the OK button on the phone, locate the IP before address information. If the address shows 0000 or network unavailable, check the Ethernet cable and ensure DHCP is enabled on the router. If valid IP address such as 192.168.x.x is displayed, the local network is working properly. Fix 4. Reboot your router or modem. Unplug the router or modem power cable. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds. Then plug the power cable back in and wait for the internet and status light to stabilize. Check if the Yealink phone reconnect. Now the fix 5. Check VoIP account setting. So find the phone IP address by pressing OK. Then enter the IP address into a web browser on a computer connected to the same network. Then log in into the Yealink web portal and go to account register. And verify the SIP service address, username, extension and password. And save any correction and reboot the phone. Now the final fix is to re-register the headset. DECT models only. So ensure the base station is powered on and connected to the network. Then press and hold the pegging button on the base station for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes. Then on the headset, go to menu settings, registration, then click on register headset. Then follow the on-screen prompt to complete pairing and confirm that no service searching for base and no longer appear. Goodbye.